মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, আজি আমি ধ্যানচান্দ নামৰ পাঠটোৰ ইংৰাজীত পঢ়িম। তোমালোকে ভালকে মন দিবা। ধ্যানচান্দ. Look at the pictures below. The people in the pictures are all great Indian sportspersons. In pairs, discuss and write down the names of the sportspersons from the options given in the box. Can you guess which sport each player is famous for? Vishwanath Anand, Saina Nehwal, Chunjiang Mary Kom Mengte, Sania Mirza, Baisung Bhutia, Sachin Tendulkar. Now think of one famous sports person from Assam and tell the class why he or she is famous. Here is a story about Dhyanchand, one of the greatest hockey players the world has seen. Dhyanchand was one of the eminent Indian sports personalities who achieved world fame. Dhyanchand attained international stature in the field of hockey and is counted among the greatest sports legends. It is said that what Pele is to football and Muhammad Ali is to boxing, Dhyanchand is to hockey. He remains the greatest hockey player of all time. Till the arrival of Dhyanchand, the Europeans and the Americans were the leading masters of the game. Dhyanchand shocked the Europeans and the Americans with his splendid performance in 3 Olympics. The greatest hockey player was born as Dhyanchand Singh on 29 August 1905 into a Rajput family in Allahabad. The turning point of his life came when he joined the British Indian Army at the age of 16. The army gave him the much needed opportunity and facilities to practice hockey. He preferred to do his practice sessions at night after his duty hours. He often waited for the moon to come out so that the visibility in the field improved. His practice sessions coincided with the rising of the moon, so Dhyanchand came to be called Dhyanchand by his fellow players. His coach also predicted that he would one day shine like the moon. He gave him the title Chand. Chand is a Hindi word for moon. A few years later, in 1928, he led the Indian hockey team to win the first gold medal for India in Amsterdam. He won his second gold in the 1932 Olympics in Los Angeles. The last gold medal came to him in the 1936 Olympics in Berlin, where he led the Indian team. He also won the title of Hockey Personality of the Century there. Dhyan Chand was given the nicknames the Wizard and the Magician of Hockey for his superb ball control. During his sporting career, spanning 23 years 1926 to 1949, he scored a total of 570 goals in 185 matches, according to his autobiography titled Goal. The government of India awarded him the national honor of Padma Bhushan in 1956. He passed away at the age of 74 in Delhi on 3rd December 1979. Very appropriately, his birthday 29 August is celebrated as National Sports Day. আশা কৰোঁ ল'ৰাসকল তোমালোকে ভাল পালা আৰু তোমালোকৰ যদি ভাবিছা যে কিবা উপকাৰ হৈছে তেতিয়াহ'লে চেনেলটো তোমালোকে ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব আৰু লাইক কৰিব পাৰা। থেংক ইউ।